guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Sennheiser HD 206 close-back dynamic headphones. So these headphones, on the box itself you can see it comes with 2 years of warranty. It has a close-back design and they also have powerful bass-driven stereo sound as per the company. So now let's see if we have any more information on the box. At the back, it also tells us that it has a closed circumaural design and it also comes with high quality leatherette ear pads. It also has some technical data at the back here, which we'll read out. The frequency response is from 21 Hz to 18,000 Hz. The impedance is 24 ohms and the sound pressure level is 108 dB. Now let's turn this around and see if we have any more information. It tells us what we have inside the box, which is the headphones themselves, a 3 meter symmetric cable, a 3.5 mm straight plug and a 6.3 mm adapter plug. So now let's open the box itself and look at the contents. So in here we have the headphones themselves and we also have the golden 6.3 mm adapter plug. So this can be connected to the 3.5 mm adapter, to the 3.5 mm pin, and then you can actually connect it into DACs or amps that you may have. So let's set this aside and let's look at the headphones themselves. So as you can see, these are very flexible pair of headphones. They are made out of plastic, but they feel quite solid. There's slight creaks in the build, but not too much. At the top here you have foam. It's a foam headband which looks like it'll be quite comfortable. Here you also have leatherette foam cups which are made out of the same material and they feel pretty comfortable as well. Now at the top here you have the Sennheiser logo, and at the side here you have the logos as well. And you also have this extension arm on both sides, so it can incorporate actually most sizes of heads. It's not foldable, so it's not very portable, but still they are not too big, they are not heavy at all, they are quite lightweight, and overall it feels like it has pretty solid build. They also have this flexible cup system which molds to the shape of your head, which is great. And that's about it for the headphones themselves. They are wired headphones and they come with a pretty sizable 3 meter long cable which ends with this 3.5 mm jack, which is actually gold plated, and you also get the option of attaching this as well. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Sennheiser HD 206 wired headphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.